Ladies and gentlemen, it's Tuesday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Stocks, they're off to a great start to the abbreviated trading week, and I'm actually in a good mood, not just because of stocks, but because of two reasons. Sports Illustrated swimsuit models at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon, and Chelsea versus PSG on TV right now. So let's get this started so I can enjoy both. I can barely contain myself. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. You know what time it is. Grab yourself a drink. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they're higher this Tuesday afternoon, attempting to stabilize on this, the first trading day of an abbreviated trading week, as investors continue to focus on seesawing oil prices as well as financials. Now, first, we have to turn over to the commodities markets. We have crude oil futures more than 2% lower, giving up earlier gains from a sharp overnight rally. This as hopes for a supply cut continue to dwindle. 4 of the world's largest producers did agree to freeze output at January levels. This if other major exporters decided to join the deal, but obviously that did not happen. U.S. markets, meanwhile, they were closed yesterday for the President's Day holiday. And turning over to China, mainland Chinese markets reopening yesterday after a week-long Lunar New Year holiday, while also closing higher overnight. So China on the upside to start off their week as well. On the economic data front, back here in the U.S., we had the Empire State Manufacturing Index for the month of February coming in at a read of negative 16.64. That's a worse than expected read, but still better than January's read. And home builder sentiment for the month of February declined to a read of 58. Now you team all of this with the U.S. dollar holding about 1% higher, and European Central Bank President Mario Draghi stating that the bank itself is ready to do its part to make the euro area more resilient. Take it any which way you want. Then you have yourself a session right now where advancers are just a slight bit ahead of decliners as the markets come to a close. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the first trading session of an abbreviated week. And on the corporate front, Alibaba making headlines once again, this after buying a 5.5% stake in Groupon, therefore becoming the 4th largest shareholder of the daily deals and e-commerce website. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I've got to run to go see some models, and I also have to run to go see Chelsea beat PSG in Paris. For modernwallstreet.com, saying I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and I should be in a better mood. I'm James Swin.